Hi, Mitchell here from Mast Digital, here to announce the winners of our latest giveaway that we were running last month. I said winners. So this giveaway was open to install the latest firmware, and you get included a end user guide, which I don't have. I need an end user guide.
Hi, my name's Connor. I'm part of the Mast Digital technical team, and I'm here to show you about the Ajax PhOD. Meaning that you can get that extra peace of mind, so if you've got pets at home that you just want to make sure are okay and still running about the house, the little scamps, am I right? Okay, so here I am. In addition, goodbye everyone. Have a good life.
Right, give it a try.
Rah, 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 rah.
Great.
Rah, 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 rah.
Great.
Probably don't catch me scratching my nose.
No.
Yeah, put the case back on.
And then you go back to yours.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, that'll do.
That's fine. That'll do. Okay. I might add that in as a bloopers.